Okay, so now the player movement. This I actually went through quite a few variations, and I ended up with what I'm doing right now. So I wanted to use the keyboard for player control because Kismet specifically has the ability to recognize key presses now. I can't remember since what version, but a few versions back they added that. I think pretty much just after they added the mobile, when they shifted the mobile stuff into the UDK as a single package instead of two separate things. But anyway, that doesn't matter. Um, so the way you access that is in the event and input. Okay, and the key button pressed, which is just slightly off screen, but anyway, it's just the second one there that creates a key button pressed event. And the way this thing works, it works exactly how you would think, but there's a small catch to it. If you use the pressed event in here where you specify the key that you press, you can simply just put, like, if you wanted to use H, you just put the letter H. Then you will be able to use the pressed event, and you'll be able to use the repeated event, but you will not necessarily be able to use the released event. Okay, I'm not sure the exact reasoning behind that, but the way I could figure it out, the way it works is the UDK has some assigned keys in the input INI file, and they're assigned names. So if you use that assigned name, then the thing will work on pressed and released. If you don't use the assigned name, it'll work on pressed and repeated, but not released. The repeated will also work on if you use this name, but it works slightly differently. I'm not sure the reasoning for that, but it does. If you just use repeated clean without the name assignment, with just a straight key, then it repeats as expected. But if you use it with a name assignment, there it'll have some different results. It'll kind of pause a little bit and things like that. It doesn't repeat smoothly. Okay, so anyway, this event here, all I do here is I set the key pressed to either be true or false, and I use that in a different place. So these are just remote events to get to get that event, to get the key pressed event for other things to be triggered off of those. So I don't have to keep setting up key pressed events. I just have it once, and I have some remote events running off of those, and then I keep using remote events wherever I need them. Okay, so that's pretty much what this section here does. It pretty much sets any key that I press to true or false, pressed true, released false, and it's 4 because up, down, left, right. Okay. Then I use that in this section. Okay, so I think to explain this section, I think I'm gonna put that over to the next video. It might be a little bit long for this video. Okay, so I'm gonna put it over to the next video.